The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. This quote by Dolly Parton stands wrong in the scenario of Delhi, as no one is getting up but instead dying of drowning in Delhi's monsoon. On 27 July 2024, 3 IAS aspirants died in a tragic incident by drowning in Delhi's Rao's IAS Study Circle basement in Rajinder Nagar.
पानी बारिश से हुआ, लेकिन यहाँ राजेंद्रा प्लेस से पानी आता है, उधर उधर शंकर रोड से पानी आता है।
तो उसके बाद यहाँ के जो एमएलए हैं उन्होंने कुछ काम करवाया उस चीज को ठीक करने के लिए?
हाँ, ये नाली उली बनवाए हैं, सारा नाली जाम था पहले, नाली तोड़ के बनवाए दोनों साइड, और उसके बाद जो है पानी अब नहीं रुकता है।
अब नहीं रुकता है?
आया क्या, तो पानी तो यहाँ कमर भर था
जी।
उसके बाद वो एक थार गाड़ी आई।
हाँ जी।
और वो थार गाड़ी के आने से जो है एक छोटा गेट टूटा, फिर वो बड़ा गेट टूटा, फिर ये गेट।
After the incident, the budget of rupees 2.7 crores was passed to build a new drainage system in Old Rajinder Nagar.
उस दिन आए थे, नाले वाले खोला था, मतलब इतना ज्यादा वो नहीं हुआ।
A reporter interviewed Durgesh Pathak, MLA from Aam Aadmi Party, Rajinder Nagar, after 3 months of the incident, and still no work was started here. Here's what he said.
ड्रेनेज जो है वो एमसीडी के अंदर आती है। एमसीडी की जिम्मेदारी होती है कि ड्रेनेज डिज़ाइन करना, उसको बनाना, फ्लो को चेक करना और सारी चीज़ें ठीक करना। अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के अंडर ड्रेनेज नहीं आती है, ठीक है। ड्रेनेज एमसीडी के अंदर आती है, जिसमें हम अभी 1 साल पहले गवर्नमेंट कल में काम शुरू, मेरा ख्याल शुरू हो गया है। उन्होंने सारा इंक्रोचमेंट जो था वो हटाने का काम शुरू किया।
कब तक आपको लगता है कि
आई थिंक 3 या 4 महीने का प्रोजेक्ट।
Today we are in Rajinder Nagar, but the condition of Rajinder Nagar is still same. Our cameraman can show no work has been done yet. The budget has been passed. The budget of 2.7 crore has been passed, but not a single piece of work has been started yet. The blame game started, and here is what the BJP candidate for MLA has to say.
दुर्गेश पाठक ने मेरा मजाक उड़ाया, और मेरा मजाक उड़ाते हुए उन्होंने ट्वीट किया अपने सोशल मीडिया पे, हैंडल पे, सब जगह ये कहा कि थैंक यू राजेश भाटिया भाई, आपने हमें अपनी यहाँ की समस्या बताई, आप एक अच्छी विपक्ष की भूमिका निभा रहे हैं।
BJP candidate Rajesh Bhatia filed an FIR under Indian law for attempted murder following the deaths of 3 children at the Rao's IAS Study Circle in Rajinder Nagar.
NHRC India took suo motu cognizance of the reporting death of 3 students due to drowning in the flooded basement library of a coaching center in Delhi. Under the building bylaw 1421, a basement could be only used for the purpose permitted under the master law plan, and no library was permitted.
जो चीज़ें allowed ही नहीं है, like underground libraries that are not allowed. Underground storage is only storage in garage is only the thing that is allowed here. तो अगर वो allowed नहीं है तो उसको।
The last drainage system in Delhi were built in 1976 for a population of 6 million. And now it is choking as the population is exceeded to 25 million. Governments have come and gone, but no replanning has done. And the old drainage system is not able to cope up with increasing population.
The Jal Board as well as the MCD needs to work in accordance with each and everyone together. So we used to do the planning before the monsoons, and we used to get all the drains in fact clean. Like in my area, there is a drain which starts from Madrasa, which goes to F block, New Ranjit Nagar. We have cleaned that, okay.
Delhi government increased its allocation for Municipal Corporation of Delhi by 182 crores for the year 2024-25. But incidents like people dying by drowning in Delhi show that only budgets are being passed and no work is being done.
कहीं MCD की गलती है, कहीं ना कहीं हमारे लेजिस्लेचर जो MLAs हैं यहाँ, उनकी भी लापरवाही है, और तीसरा कि जो यहाँ पे जितने भी कोचिंग सेंटर्स हैं, जितने माफियाज हैं, उनकी भी गलती है। तो मैं तीनों
On July 31st, 22-year-old Tanuja, she and a 3-year-old child drowned in a waterlogged drain in East Delhi's Ghazipur area. This was just one incident, but many like these are common during Delhi's monsoon. Delhi, the national capital of India, drowns every year during monsoon. Be it a place like Minto Road, just near the elite Lutyens Delhi, or place like Rajinder Nagar, where students come from all across India to chase their dreams. In a conversation with Asha, who's a vendor outside the Rouse IAS study circle, she said the politicians work, but not efficiently. This raises a lot of questions about the credibility of our politicians. No administration is ready to answer the question. Rajesh Bhatia, ex-councillor Rajinder Nagar, said he had warned the current MLA regarding the waterlogging problem in Delhi, but he did nothing. For so many years, BJP was in power in Municipal Corporation of Delhi, MCD. So no Aam Aadmi Party politician is ready to take the responsibility of the incidents that happen every year because of waterlogging in Delhi. The estimated number of deaths every year because of monsoon in Delhi is 170. Ankush Narang, councillor of Ranjit Nagar, Aam Aadmi Party, said he's been working efficiently and recently only the budget was passed and in his constituency new drainage systems were built. This shows there are certain loopholes in our system that need to be found out and worked upon. Just like some rotten apples spoil the barrel, certain elements that are corruptive are the reason for the tragedies that happen. Without proper improvements in the drainage system, urban planning and waste management practices, Delhi will continue to struggle with waterlogging. In 2023, the government allocated funds for the installation of an underground drainage system in parts of South Delhi, and the Public Works Department (PWD) began efforts to desil the city's drains. But these efforts went in vain when this year we saw Delhi's drowning. The Delhi Jal Board is responsible for managing the sewage systems even after crores of budgets being passed. It is inefficient to cope up with the tragedies happening because of waterlogging. The helpline number 155305 is provided for the people of Delhi by the Delhi government for cleaning of sewages and drainage pipes. But even after calling so many times, no official picks the call. The government is doing measure on its side, but there is no consistency in the working of department. Unprofessionalism is being followed by the government officials. Like during monsoon, there was no clue under which department the Barapula drainage system falls, as there was no coordination among departments. A wall breach and backflow of water at the Delhi Barapula drain, one of the significant natural water basins of the capital, connected to other smaller drains, became one of the reasons for waterlogging in Delhi. There is a lot that the government can do, like increasing the number of drainage systems to cope with increasing population, doing pre-planning, digging more ponds, segregating the plastic pollution so that it is not stuck in the drainage pipes. The problem remains a major concern for the residents that should be worked upon.